Hello students, in this video we will discuss about combined mean. So whenever we find out the mean of two or more different series, that is known as combined mean. Now let us understand the formula to calculate combined mean. So the formula is given here. Combined mean x bar 1 2 1 2 refers to the series 1 and series 2. If suppose there are 3 series, then here it will be x bar 1 2 and 3. So 1 represents first series and 2 represents the second series or the statistical series. So x bar 1 2 is equal to x bar 1 n1 plus x bar 2 n2 whole divided by n1 plus n2, where x bar 1 is the mean of first series and n1 is the number of items in the first series, x bar 2 is the mean of second series, and n2 is the number of items in the second series. Let us understand this with the help of one example. So 80 students of section A of class 11th obtained 40 marks in statistics, and 40 students of section B obtained 50 mean mark in statistics. So we have to find out the mean mark in statistics of the whole class, that is class 11th as a whole. So from the given information it is very clear. Let us take this n1 is equal to 80. It means the number of students in section A, and x bar 1 is equal to 40, the mean of all the students in section A, and n2 the number of students in section B, and x bar 2 is equal to 50, that is the mean mark obtained in statistics in another section, that is section B. Now putting these values in the given formula, x bar 1 2, so 40 into 80 plus 50 into 40 divided by 80 plus 40. So on calculating we will get the combined mean of these two series equal to 43.3. Now let us understand how to calculate the correct mean. Sometimes due to wrong entry of certain value, we get the wrong arithmetic mean. So let us understand how to find out the correct mean in such a case. So first I have written some steps in order to find out the correct mean. So the first step is to find out the sum of the items. Then from that sum you have to subtract the wrong values and add the correct values in that sum. And after getting the corrected sum, you have to divide that correct sum or the corrected sum by the number of items. Now let us understand it with the help of one example. So mean mark obtained by 100 students are estimated to be 80. So 80 is mean and the number of students is 100. Now later on it was found that one value was read as 86 instead of 26. So actual value was 26, but by mistake it was entered as 86. So if any wrong value is entered, it is very clear that the mean also will be wrong. So wrong value is 86 and the correct value which should be in the sum, that is 26. So first let us get this wrong sum. So wrong sum how we will get? So by this multiplying the mean and the number of students. So 100 into 80, so 8000. But this 8000 is not the correct sum because in this a wrong value, that is 86, is being included. So what we have to do, in order to get the correct sum, we will subtract the wrong value and add the correct value. So corrected sum is equal to 8000 minus 86 plus 26. So that will be 7940. Now in order to get the correct mean, what we have to do, this corrected sum we have to divide by the number of students. So correct mean is equal to 7940 divided by 100, and that will be equal to 79.40. Thank you. Take some more questions from your textbook and solve in your copy. Thank you.